Imagine waking up one day to find your entire digital world turned upside down, your data compromised, your business operations halted, and your online safety in danger. It may sound like a nightmare, but cybersecurity incidents happen every day. But don't panic. In this video, we'll search into the exciting world of cybersecurity incident response, breaking down complex ideas into simple, engaging, and easy-to-understand steps. Let's jump in and discover how to protect your digital life like a pro. What is incident response? Incident response in the context of cybersecurity refers to the process of identifying, responding to, and reducing the effects of a cybersecurity incident. An incident can be defined as any event that poses a threat to the confidentiality, integrity, or availability of an organization's information systems. This could include unauthorized access, data violation, malware infections, denial of service attacks, and many more. The incident response process. The incident response process typically consists of 6 main stages. Preparation. Establish policies, procedures, and teams for incident response before any incidents occur. Identification. Identify potential security incidents through monitoring systems, network traffic analysis, or user reports. Containment. Once an incident is identified, contain it to limit its impact on systems and data. Eradication. Remove any malicious elements from the system and restore it to a secure state. Recovery. Restore affected systems and data to their normal state while adding security measures. Lessons learned. Conduct a post-incident analysis to identify improvements and update procedures. The importance of incident response. In today's digital landscape, where cyber attacks are becoming more frequent and sophisticated, having an effective incident response plan is crucial. A swift and efficient response can mean the difference between a minor disruption and a major data breach. Implementing proper incident response procedures also helps organizations meet compliance requirements and maintain customer trust. In today's digital age, cybersecurity incidents are inevitable. However, being prepared with a well-defined incident response plan can help minimize the impact on your organization. By understanding the importance of incident response and following best practices, you can protect yourself, your business, and your online presence from potential cyber threats. Remember, prevention is key, but having a solid incident response plan is equally essential. Thank you for watching this episode on TTR Technology. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. To stay updated with the latest in tech, subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell.